Experiencing constant crashing on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max can be frustrating. Typically, crashes stem from three primary sources: app-related issues, storage limitations, or underlying iOS 26 problems. Start by identifying the type of crash. Are specific apps crashing, or is it a system-wide problem? For app crashes, ensure the app is updated to the latest version, as developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve compatibility with iOS 26. If a particular app consistently crashes, try reinstalling it. Insufficient storage can also lead to crashes, as it limits RAM allocation. Check your storage in Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and offload unnecessary files to iCloud or delete unused apps. If the issue persists, it may be related to iOS 26 itself. In such cases, a force restart, holding power and volume buttons, can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. If the crashing continues, consider more advanced troubleshooting steps like safe mode or DFU mode, but remember to back up your data first. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the crashing issues, try booting your iPhone 17 into safe mode to determine if a third-party app is the culprit. Safe mode disables all third-party apps, allowing you to test the phone's stability with only Apple's core apps running. If the crashing stops in safe mode, you can then uninstall recently installed apps one by one to identify the problematic app. For more severe iOS 26-related issues, a DFU, device firmware update restore, may be necessary. This process completely wipes and reinstalls the operating system, so ensure you have a recent backup. Looking ahead, Apple is focusing on AI-driven diagnostics and proactive storage management to improve iPhone stability. Future iOS updates may include automated bug fixes and improved error reporting, potentially reducing crash rates. Additionally, hardware improvements, such as the A18 chip in the iPhone 17, aim to enhance thermal management and overall system performance, further contributing to a more stable user experience. Keeping your device updated and managing storage effectively will be key to preventing crashes in the future.